Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to convert this xlsx file into a PDF without any code at all. So how to do that? Let us see in this video. Only you have to click on file. If you click on file, you can see different options here: home, new, open, info, save as, print, share and export, publish and close, etc. You have to click on export. When you click on export, you can see create PDF XPS document. Here you can see the button here, creates a PDF document, preserves layout, formatting, fonts and images. Content can't be easily changed. Free viewers are available on the web. So here what is there? Only we have a simple ABC column with 2 rows. So according to this, right, it preserves the layout, formatting, fonts and images. If you'd add more than a table, etc., it will be preserved, right? So okay, let me add this other table. So let me create insert as a table. So this will be created as a table. So let us see, this should be properly preserved. Let me go to file. Let me click on export. Okay. So click on create PDF. So now I want to create PDF. So I'll rename it as sample table.pdf. I have to click on publish here. So once it is published, so you can see the save table.pdf. So now it has saved into a table format. That's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.